One of the nice things about working here at GS is that we work closely with the customers to try and determine what best fits their needs. GS manufactures our own line of switches that we use in our cabs and switch panels for armrests and seats, that type of thing. Or in some cases we can use off-the-shelf components, whatever's appropriate for the application. We also do custom mounting plate designs, and we can do printed graphics on the plates and text. We have different processes that we use. There's a dye sublimation process, and sometimes we'll just do high quality decals. The buttons are then applied behind the plate typically, and we can do a completely sealed solution so that it's potted switches that are mounted in any location on the machine, even on outside panels where they're exposed to the weather, and will still survive that. So we have a lot of flexibility to mount the switches so that they are exactly where it's most convenient for the operator to use that switch for that function. One of the nice things about our switch design is that they're all use a CAN-based interface. So this allows us to minimize the amount of wiring that you need in the system in order to make complex switch panels that just connect with 3 or 4 wires to your machine. It's great that we can integrate that CAN bus control, and we use that with our other control areas in the system. We provide controllers and input-output modules, things that expand the control for your entire system. It integrates well into the rest of the design. I worked on one application that was for an agricultural spreader, and we didn't actually build the entire cab for them. We just did the control pods for inside the cab, and we came up with some new switch panel designs actually that were specific for that customer. So we have a GS designed circuit board with custom rocker switches on it that are mounted on that switch plate. So that was very specific to getting the angles relative to the operator's hand when they were controlling the buttons on the side, lined up just the way that they wanted them, and we were able to do a complete custom circuit board design just for them.